Ano ang gusto mong kainin? What do you want to eat? Pwede ba kitang tanungin? Can I ask you something? Nakapunta ka na ba sa Baguio? Have you been to Baguio? Gusto mo bang ipakita sa akin? Do you want to show me? Pwede mo ba akong turuan? Can you teach me? Sino ang kasama mo kahapon? Who are you with yesterday? Pwede ba kitang tawagan? Can I call you? Saan ang opisina mo? Where is your office? Dito ka ba nakatira? Do you live here? Masaya ka ba ngayon? Are you happy today? Anong nagpapasaya sa'yo? What makes you happy? Gusto mo bang magkwento? Do you want to tell a story? Gusto mong sumama sa amin bukas? Do you want to come with us tomorrow? Anong oras tayo magkikita? What time will we meet? Ano ang pangarap mo sa buhay? What is your dream in life? Lumalabas ka ba kapag umuulan? Do you go out when it's raining? Mahilig ka bang kumanta? Do you like to sing? May balita ka ba sa kanya? Do you have any news about him or her? May alam ka bang masayang gawin? Do you know something fun to do? Saan ka bumibili ng damit? Where do you buy your clothes? May itinatago ka bang sikreto? Are you hiding a secret? May pinagsisisihan ka ba? Do you regret anything? Nalulungkot ka ba? Are you sad? Nakapagbakasyon ka na ba? Have you been in a vacation yet? Gusto mo bang matutong magluto? Do you want to learn how to cook? Mahilig ka bang mag-aral? Do you enjoy studying? Matagal na ba kayong magkaibigan? Have you been friends for a long time? Ano ang tawag mo sa kanya? What do you call her? Kaibigan mo rin ba siya? Is she also your friend? Ano ang palayaw mo? What is your nickname? Saan ka ba lumaki? Where did you grow up? Gusto mo bang bisitahin kita? Do you want me to visit you? Gusto mo bang tumira sa probinsya? Do you want to live in the province? Anong grade or taon ka na ngayon? What grade are you in now? Sino ang paborito mong guro? Who is your favorite teacher? Nag-aaral ka pa rin ba? Are you still studying? Paano mo nalaman na mahal ka niya? How do you know that he loves you? Paano ka magmahal? How do you love someone? Saan niyo balak magpakasal? Where do you plan to get wed? Anong klaseng relasyon ang gusto mo? What kind of a relationship would you like? Mahal mo na ba siya? Do you love her already? Mahiyain ka ba o palakaibigan? Are you shy or friendly? Ano ang mga pangarap mo? What are your dreams? Ano ang mga nagpapasaya sa'yo? What makes you happy? Ano ang paborito mong libangan? What is your favorite hobby? Nasabi mo na ba sa kanya? Have you ever told her? Bago ka ba rito kagaya ko? Are you new here like me? Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? How are you feeling now? Natuto ka na bang magmaneho? Did you learn how to drive yet? Bakit ganyan ang suot mo? Why are you wearing that? Naninigarilyo ka rin ba? Do you smoke too? Ano ang masasabi mo sa damit ko? What can you say about my dress? Bakit mag-isa ka lang rito? Why are you alone here? Nasubukan mo na bang maligo sa ulan? Have you tried taking a bath in the rain? Masaya ba akong kasama? Am I fun to be with? Matagal ka na ba rito? Have you been here for a long time? Ginawa mo rin ba ang ginawa niya? Did you do what she did as well? Natapos mo bang gawin ang lahat? Did you finish doing all of them?